Welcome to Invoice Flow, an invoicing app that helps users create professional invoices, manage client details, and keep billing work clear and organized. The main screen opens on Create. Across the top, the user sees the Invoice Flow brand and the main navigation: Create, Preview, Invoices, and Settings. This gives the user a natural flow from building an invoice to reviewing it, managing saved invoices, and setting defaults. The Create screen begins with the heading Create an Invoice. The builder is divided into a form column and a live mini preview. The first expandable card is Your Business Info, where the user enters the business name, tagline, address, phone number, email, website, and an optional logo image. As the user fills this in, the mini invoice preview updates immediately, helping them see how the final invoice will look. The next card is Client Info. Here, the user enters the client or company name, contact person, address, email, and phone number. This section becomes the bill to area on the invoice so the user can clearly identify who the invoice is for. The invoice details card captures the invoice number, invoice date, due date, currency, payment terms, and purchase order number. The invoice number is pre filled automatically. The invoice date starts with today's date, and the due date is set ahead based on the default terms. The currency menu supports common currencies, and payment terms include options like net 15, net 30, net 60, due on receipt, and custom. The line items card is where the user builds the actual invoice charges. Each row includes a description, quantity, unit rate, tax percentage, calculated amount, reorder controls, and a remove button. The add row button creates more line items, and every change updates the totals and the live preview. The totals card includes global tax, discount type, discount amount, shipping or handling, and partial payment. The totals box shows subtotal, tax, discount, shipping, total, and amount due. This matters because the user can handle real invoice cases like partial payments, discounts, and extra fees without doing the math manually. The final create card includes notes to the client and payment terms. The Save Invoice button stores the invoice as the current status. A confirmation message appears when the invoice is saved. The preview screen shows the invoice in a larger print ready layout. The toolbar includes a theme selector, an accent color picker, print or PDF, download HTML, mark as sent, and mark as paid. The theme menu changes the invoice style between classic, modern, elegant, and bold, while the accent color changes the visual identity of the document. The invoice preview shows the business details: logo when available, invoice title, invoice number, client details, invoice date, due date, payment terms, purchase order number when provided, item table, totals, notes, and terms. If the invoice is marked paid, a paid stamp appears on the invoice. The user can print it, save it as a PDF through the print dialog, or download it as an HTML file. The invoices screen is the invoice manager. At the top, the stats cards show total invoiced, total paid, total pending, and overdue amount. Below that, the filters let the user search by client or invoice number, filter by status, and export invoice data as CSV. The invoice table lists invoice number, client, date, due date, amount, status, and actions. Each row can be opened, duplicated, or deleted. Overdue invoices are detected automatically when the due date has passed and the invoice is not paid. Duplicating an invoice creates a new draft with a new number and updated dates, which is useful for repeat clients. The settings screen lets the user save invoice defaults. The form includes default currency, default payment terms, and default accent color. Once saved, these settings are used when new invoices are created. Keeping the workflow consistent. Invoice Flow gives freelancers, small businesses, and service teams a complete invoice workflow in one place. The user can build detailed invoices, preview professional documents, mark payment status, track totals, duplicate old invoices, export records, and keep default settings ready for the next client.